Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best electric car jacks on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Heelp Electric Car Floor Jack 5-ton. This electric hydraulic floor jack comes with an electric impact style wrench and a handy inflator pump. The jack itself stretches to one of the highest top outs in this list, raising a car nearly 18 inches. Electric car jack is hydraulic driven. It can lift vehicles within 5 tons in less than 2 minutes to its max height, lifting range, 6.117.7 inches. The high-power engine installed in the hydraulic jack nearly matches all the autos, sedan, SUV, MPV, pickup and truck. The powerful hydraulic strength is more competitive than other car jacks. This electric car jack kit contains a portable ergonomic-designed electric impact wrench and 2 sleeves with 2 sizes, matching more vehicles in the market. Powerful motor and precisely designed speed control system, making it possible to screw or unscrew in a very short time. This electric car jack kit can save you a lot of time and energy. This portable car lift with 2 LED lights helps find your lifting area and illuminate your working environment even in the dark midnight. Plus, the hydraulic car jack and power cable connections are waterproof, and work even on rainy days. Whether in your home garage, road trip, car repair shop, farm or halfway emergency, this kit is truly multi-applied. When the hydraulic jack reaches its max height or the weight exceeds its max loading weight, the smart overload protection system starts working, and the electric jack will automatically stop lifting. If an emergency occurred halfway, the red triangle outside the electric car jack kit can serve as a caution sign. Just place it behind your car. The electric car jack kit ensures the safety of the operator and the car. Number 2. Our second best pick is Beetro 5-ton electric hydraulic jack. Beetro electric hydraulic jack has a maximum lifting weight of 5 tons, 11,000 pounds, and a lifting height range of 6 to 17.7 inches. 4-in-1 design, it can be used as a hydraulic jack, tire inflator pump or LED working light. Moreover, equipped with an electric wrench. Meet your different needs. This car electric jack is powered by a cigarette lighter power outlet or car battery, and comes with a 11.5 feet power cord, long enough to go through the 4 tires without changing the power source. Attention, start car engine before operation. Never use this jack on sloped ground or over 5-ton vehicles. Just pressing the button of the jack will raise or lower automatically, and it takes about 2 minutes to reach maximum height. Save your efforts and time. Perfect for car's owner, especially for women. Heavy-duty steel pressure rod features stronger bearing capacity. An enlarged aluminum plate ensures a secure footing. Permanently lubricated DC motor can provide enough power. The jack will automatically stop working when it reaches the height limitation or overload. The self-locking device can prevent the jack from falling and keeps a steady height even with no power, ensuring the safety of the car and people. Number 3. Our third best pick is Anbull Electric Car Floor Jack. The jack body is designed with a non-slip cross groove. The compact toolbox on the side of the body can be used to store rubber hoses, gas nozzles, fuses, hexagonal wrenches and other accessories. There is an emergency safety valve, which can be manually put down with an Allen wrench. You don't have to worry about encountering malfunctions. You can get power from the car battery through the car's 12V cigarette lighter or through the battery clip. Function control buttons are centralized, control lift. Electric jacks are more labor-saving than manual jacks. In any emergency, men or women can easily and quickly repair tires, avoiding spending time waiting for a repair shop. Say goodbye to tedious manual disassembly. The front end of the electric hydraulic jack is equipped with a convenient built-in flash LED light, which can be operated at night or under dim lights without any other lighting tools. In addition, it is completely waterproof, so it can be used even on rainy days. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Rogtz Electric Hydraulic Car Jack Kit. The electric car jack must be used on a flat and firm ground. This 4-in-1 electric hydraulic jack comes in an electric hydraulic jack, an air pump and an impact wrench. The electric car jack is capable of lifting a car, under 5 ton, up to reach its max height range, 6.1 to 17.7 inch, within 2 minutes. Notes for using electric impact wrench: first, paying attention to the sizes when selecting the sleeve; second, the signal 2 means loosening the screw, and you have to keep pressing 2 until the screw has been loosened; the signal I means tightening the screw, and you have to keep pressing I until the screw has been tightened. The electric jack kit S 2-way power supply, battery clip with 12V DC power socket or car cigarette lighter, allows any adult to change and repair tires at any time on the garage or highway, the best choice for your car, truck or SUV. The portable car jack, inflator, impact wrench, power cord and accessories all come in a carrying case that easily fits the trunk of your vehicle. The red triangle warning sign can serve as a warning sign on the highway. The electric car jack must be used on a flat and firm ground. Remember, never to use it on a sloped ground. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is BestEquip 3-ton electric car jack. Weight capacity of 3 tons, 6,600 pounds, and lifting height ranging from 1245 centimeters, 4.7 to 17.7 inch. The 2-way power supply, battery clip with 12V DC power socket or car cigarette lighter, allows getting power from the car battery. Powerful and time-saving toolset with wireless remote. The car jack features a heavy-duty steel structure, large base, and saddle, making the car jack firm and stable. The powerful motor drives to ensure good transmission performance. The jack head uses a non-slip design, a cross-shaped groove plus particles protruding from the surface to increase friction. Easy to operate just by 2 switches on the remote control. Simple operation, highly practical. An electric impact wrench is included to disassemble the screws and quickly replace the tires. Farewell to laborious and tedious manual dismounting. Suitable for sedans, off-road vehicles, vans, light-duty trucks, or any vehicle that suits its capacity. It is also a useful tool for garages, repair shops, and families. You can easily change the tire without asking for help from others or going to the car repair shop. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.